Hello and welcome back. Have you ever received a parking ticket or fine that you believe was unjustified? Well, you're not alone. Many drivers have been in the same situation and have successfully appealed their fines. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to appeal your car parking fines and increase your chances of winning. The first step is to understand why you were fined in the first place and what reasons you may have for an appeal. You should check the penalty notice and make sure that the offence regulation code matches its title and the make and registration number match your vehicle. You should also check if the parking signs were visible and where you parked or if they were covered by any structures. Similarly, you should check if the bay markings were clear and visible in the first place or if there were any signs or markings that should have been there for the offence you were booked for. If you find any discrepancies in any of the above areas, then you have a strong case for an appeal. You should gather as much evidence as you can in your defence, such as photos, mechanical repair receipts, or medical certificates. Also, be sure to act quickly before the payment due date, as every reminder sent to you typically incurs further penalty fees. You can dispute a parking infringement in writing with an explanation or appeal letter, including the supporting evidence. Here at Parking Made Easy, we have compiled a broad guide on how to appeal car parking fines and have also provided several sample letter templates for you to choose from. They are here in this blog for extra evidence and information. It's important to note that the success rate of appeals can vary greatly depending on your local council, but if you believe you have a strong case, it's well worth a try, trust me. Don't be taken for a ride and pay questionable parking fines without trying to appeal them first. In conclusion, appealing parking fines can be a tedious process, but it can save you a lot of money in the long run. Remember to check the penalty notice and gather as much evidence as you can in your defence. Choose the most appropriate letter template for your case and act quickly before the payment due date. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your parking fine appeals. From here at Parking Made Easy, we do wish you the best and hope these tips have helped you take action on those appeals. We'll see you on the next one.